Hello everybody. It's been about exactly 1 year since I ordered this. It was supposed to come out in March, but with everything that's going on, things I can't say, but it's finally here and I figured I would do an unboxing video on it since I hadn't seen too many videos even just like anticipating it coming out. But first here we've got our typical Gundam store sticker and a focus that doesn't want to work. Focus. There we go. Whee! It's all shiny. Some junk. And what we've actually been waiting for almost a year now. Max Factory. Plamax Deedlit, 1/20th scale figure from the Record of Lodoss War. It's got a pretty, compared to, things like Gundam kits, it's a pretty thin box. You can see I've got a some like Nandroids and mini Nandroids up here. You can see just how thin that box is compared to them. Excuse the wall, I'm working on patching it so I can paint it. Just kind of show you off the box here. Get the cool design in the back. The best waifu. Lodoss Tolasanki. Let's see. Not too much to see on the sides here. This is basically the same stuff that was all written on the front. Kind of get a little description in Japanese here about Record of Lodoss War. Kairazu no Mori no High Elf. Deedlit, the High Elf from the Forest of No Return. Turned into a plastic model kit. Basically that it's been animating games and all that kind of stuff. And just don't eat them. Don't eat the parts. Okay? So let's open it, see what's inside. I said from the size of the box, you can kind of tell that this isn't going to be like a ton of parts like you would get with a Gundam kit. Yeah, here's basically all of them. Got like a cape and I think like the shoulder pads, chest armor, the base, legs and face, arms maybe too. Hair, the boots, and her sort of like one-piece tunic dress thing. We've got the instructions. Focus. It's pretty much just a copy of the front on the front of the box on the cover. And then on the inside, you see it's pretty simple as far as putting it together. That's just about it on that, yeah. And then, so one thing, final thing, I think this is, a lot of people hate these, but see how big my thumbnail is? This is the eye stickers and a sticker for that little thing she wears around her forehead. Those are going to be a real pain in the butt. But that will do it for the Plamax 120 scale Deedlit figure from Record of Lodoss War. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.